In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page that converts in 2026. We'll begin at wix.com, but before you build anything, define your goal. Decide exactly what you want visitors to do and choose one primary action for the page. That action might be signing up for a free trial, booking a consultation, downloading a free guide, or buying a product. The key is focus. A landing page performs better when everything supports one clear outcome instead of asking people to do too many things. Next, think about your target audience. Be clear about who you're trying to reach, what problem they're facing, and what benefit your offer gives them. This matters because strong landing pages use language that feels familiar and relevant to the visitor. If your message is too broad or too generic, people may not immediately understand why the offer is for them. From there, create a strong headline. Your headline should communicate the main benefit right away, and it should be clear and specific. Avoid being vague or overly clever. Add a short subheadline underneath to explain the offer in a little more detail. For example, a headline could be, "Get more clients without spending hours on social media," followed by a subheadline like, "Let our virtual assistant team handle your daily social media tasks." That kind of benefit-focused messaging helps visitors understand the value fast. Now add a clear call to action near the top of the page. Use action-oriented wording and make it obvious what happens when someone clicks. Instead of something generic like submit, use wording such as book my free consultation or get my free guide. Specific CTA text reduces confusion and makes the next step feel easier. After that, explain your main offer. Tell visitors what they'll receive and focus more on benefits than features. Keep the most important information near the top so people see it quickly. Then add a high-quality image or video that supports the message. Use visuals that relate directly to the offer, such as a product preview, service example, or short demonstration, and avoid visuals that don't add real value. To build trust, add social proof like testimonials, reviews, client logos, case studies, results, or relevant security badges. If you're collecting leads, keep the form simple. Only ask for the information you truly need. Use clear field labels and make the CTA feel like part of the form experience. Remove distractions by limiting navigation, avoiding unrelated links, and keeping attention on the main CTA. Then check that the page is mobile-friendly by reviewing the headline, buttons, forms, scrolling, and layout on your phone. Also optimize page speed by compressing large images, limiting animations, and avoiding too many heavy videos or scripts. Finally, create a thank you page that confirms the action and delivers the promised next step. Before publishing, test every button, form, email notification, link, and both desktop and mobile views. Proofread the copy and test load speed. After launch, track visitors, CTA clicks, form submissions, conversions, and bounce behavior, then keep improving by testing headlines, CTA text, images, layouts, and form length.